Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. Not gonna go into an intro because I'm about to piss off a large majority of the Xbox community, and I really don't care. So, you guys just purchased your new shiny ROG Xbox Ally X ROG Xbox Ally, and y'all been sitting up there talking about people can't afford things, everything is an Xbox. Then when you got your new ROG handheld, you realize that it wasn't an Xbox, that you had to be locked into a game streaming service. And listen to this, you got your ROG Xbox Ally and Xbox Ally X, and some of y'all only got 1 month of Game Pass. Mine's, I got 3 months plus a own trial on top of it, so that's 4 months. So because I got three of these, I got literally an entire year of Xbox Game Pass for free because I have three of these. I have the Z2 and I have the Z2 Extreme. I have two Z2 Extremes and I have one Z2. And this is the Legion Go. So what can I do with mines? What can I do with mines? I'm going to show you what I can do with mines that you guys can't do with yours. So instead of me talking, I'm going to show you. So let's get this thing powered on. Oh, look at that. Directly into the Xbox experience. Right? But we're not going to use the Xbox experience because the Xbox experience is trash. The Xbox app is trash. So we're going to do something better. We're going to put SteamOS on this thing, which we don't have SteamOS. We have Windows on this thing. So let's get this out. Oof. Get rid of that crappy ass thing right there. We're going to rock with this right here. Oh, I know you guys are already mad. Look at this. Nice 8.8 point inch screen. So let's see how fast we can get inside of a game. Is my Wi-Fi even on? My Wi-Fi should be on. I don't know. We gotta look at that. Let me see. Into offline mode. Oh, and that's another thing. We could go to offline mode. Something you guys can't do. Alright. Let's see how fast it's gonna take us to get inside this game. Let's check and see. Let's see how long it's gonna take for us to get inside this game. Damn, that was quick. Damn, that was quick. Damn, that was quick. So I want to show you guys something really, really fast. Let's open up this app real quick. Let's go straight down. I want to show you something that I have, well, we have, that you Xbox dudes don't have. So let's go to game features. Look at that, HDR. That's right, we got HDR on ours. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go inside this, and I'm going to turn, let me see, we're going to turn, as you can see, the right here, 1920 by 1200. We got RTX, our ray tracing on. So we're gonna keep on ray tracing real quick. We're just gonna jump us out of a game really fast. So boom, boom. Watch the next thing that I do. It's gonna make a lot of y'all guys pissed. So look at this. 32 frames per second right there, right? Look at that. Just 32 frames per second. With RT on. You guys can't even do that without it lagging. Oof. You know what? I want to do something real quick. Let's lower this down real quick. I want to lower this down. Let's put it at 800. Look at that. RT on. I just lowered it down. Now we still at 1920 by 1200, I believe. Let me double check. Yep. It washed out because we got RT on, and I need to raise that up a little. So let's raise that up a little bit. Let's keep that on there real quick. There we go. Fix those colors. Look at the frame rates with RT on. Oof. Oof. Damn. I know it hurts to beat. I know it hurts, guys. Let's put it to this one right here. 76, 69 frames per second. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, let's put it back to the native resolution with RT on. There we go. Now we drop down to 32, 31 frames, 33 frames per second. Ooh. 36 frames per second with ray tracing on. Ooh. Damn. Alright, we gotta turn HDR on. We gotta turn this baby on. HDR on. Ooh. Look at the colors to this thing. Ooh. Let's see what happens if we drop this down to 800p, which is not even 800p. It's the whatever resolution. And I don't even have the anti-lag and all that stuff on here on that. So that's not even on here. So let's go right here. Let's go to resolution real quick. It's still 1920 by 1200, right? Yes, sir. Look at that. 13.86 gigabytes out of 22.15 gigabytes. And that's because I set my RAM to 1200, which this got 32 gigabytes, which y'all only have 24. And I'm pushing this out at max settings. Look, let's look at the graphics real quick. Everything is literally pushed out the ultra, max settings, high is maxed out on this baby, right? And I'm at 82 frames per second. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like this is a cheat code, man. This is a cheat code. Let's turn that 14 foot. Ooh, look at that. Let's put it back to native. Now I want to show you something. Let's turn ray tracing off. Now, what would happen if we turn ray tracing off? How many frames would we get? I don't know. Let's test it out right now. I'm lying. I do know how many frames we're gonna get. Oh man, that's the thing about you bots, bro. While we can giggle on your asses because it's funny, but I'm gonna make you guys really pissed off in a few seconds. You guys is really gonna get mad in a few seconds. Damn, 200 frames. 82 frames per second. Oh, lordy. Look at this, baby. Let's go up. How many frames if we change the fake resolution to 800? Now, remind you, we still at 285 frames with 272 frames. Ooh. Ooh. We in the 200s, boys. 200 frames per second. Look at this. Look. Ooh. Look at those frames, baby. Look at those frames. 274. Ooh. What happens if we actually change this down to, drop it down to 1080p real quick. I want to see how many frames we get for 1080p. How many frames will we get for 1080p? You know what makes it funny? Because 1080p, we got lower frames at a lower resolution. What happens if we put it down towards like 900p? What will we get at 900p? Let's make sure we have the settings. What will we get at 900p? And this one is not even a 16 by 10. This does 16 by 10, not 16 by 9. So that's messing up the resolution because we had 1080p. Let's go to 1050 right there. Let's see what frames will we get for this. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to change it. That's my fault. That's my fault. Give me a second. Let me correct that. Ooh. Oh, so I have to run this thing at the max settings to get over the frame rates that we need. Oh, let's put it at native right here. 107, 106. Ooh. Let's keep going down. Let's see what we could push it at to see if we can get more frames. Put it at this one right here. Let's see how much we can get. Oof. Can we go any lower? Can we get any actual above 200? Let me see. We at 800 directly. Out of that 13 gigabytes that we had out of the 22.15, I believe, we're only down. Ooh, 300 and something frames per second. Let me see something. And we at the native right now. Let's drop it down to that extra right there. We might have to do something really quick. Let's hit this real quick. Hit that. Okay. Hit that. $228 and change. Oof. Ooh. I'm just running backwards from when I was originally playing the game. Gotta move back a little, guys. I know I was kind of on the screen, but I want you guys to see the frame rates. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Come look at this. Let's go back to the native. Let's go back to native, man. With RT off, all that stuff off, man. We need to stop flexing on you guys. Let's put it back to the native right there. 13 gigabytes out of 22. Maxed out, max settings. Ooh. 71, 73. Ooh. We gotta do this real quick. Let's drop it down to that real fast. How many frames can we pull? $200 frames per second, baby. And this is still at 1920 by 1920 by 1200, just to show you guys right there. Oof. Oof. So what else can I do with this thing? I'm gonna show you real quick. Oh, I just hit my own camera. I'm gonna show you what I can do with this real quick. So let's say I'm playing my game, right, and I gotta hold on to this, right. My hands hurt, and I just do this real quick. Oh, my hands. Oh, just cracked it. Oh, my hands, just cracking my hands up, right? Guess what I can do? You see this? I got a built-in kickstand. Oh, I got a mouse right here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I mean, you guys have nothing. Nothing. Let me show you what else I can do. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, let's do this real quick. So y'all see this little piece right here, this little puck right there? You just drop it in. It's in, then you press a little button at the bottom. And guess what? Remove that thumbstick off. Oof, now I got a mouse and keyboard and I can play like this now. Look at my mouse right here, bro. Look at this mouse. Look at this. Got my little mouse right here. Oh, and check this out. And if I don't want to use this right here and I just want to use this mouse right here, let's plug in the actual mouse and keyboard real fast. So, boom. Plug that in real fast. So now we're going with the WASD, the actual mouse. We got a mouse right here. We got the keyboard back there. So let's just move that over so you guys can see. The keyboard right here. With that nice 8.8 inch screen. And check this out. When I don't want to use it as a mouse, let's just hit the button at the bottom real quick. There we go. And we just press this button right here on the side to drop this little dock right here. Then we come here. We put the thumbstick right there back in. And if I want to take the thumbstick off on this one, I just pop that one off too if I want to. Like, come on, guys. You guys is missing out. Oh, yeah, I think there's just this side that pops out. Nope. Just check this out. Just hit that like that. And I put the thing to sleep. Oh, that's another thing I want you guys to see. So I just put the game to sleep, right? Watch what happens if I turn it back on. So we're just gonna wait. There we go. I don't care about online functions. It's gonna cut itself back on for online functions, so I'm not worrying about that. Hit space. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to connect this back because we just put it to sleep while we had this off real quick. So let's just put this back on really quick just to get back into our game. There we go. You have to kick yourself back on. Gotta hit space on here. Oh, I forgot. I gotta turn this thing back on real quick because I hit the button when I had it in mouse mode. So let's get that dock back on real fast. There we go. There we go. Hit this one real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's do that again. Slide that off real quick. Slide that off real quick. Let's not hit that power button again. So there we go. Look at this. Look how I'm able to play this thing. Look at this. Can y'all do that? And now let's say if I wanted to watch TV or whatever, and I want to use this as a nice little dock or whatever it may be, I can buy a little 3D printed thing, put an actual keyboard in here and use it like that. And I can actually get covers to put right here, a little covered dock right here, and just use this as a regular tablet. So look at this, and still be able to play the game like this. Come on, guys. Man, you bots, man. Just spend the money. You said that people are broke and Xbox is the best place for gaming. How about you guys send back your ROG Xbox Ally and get a Legion Go too, since you guys say that everybody else is broke, because it seems like you guys are the broke guys. So yeah, I'm gonna continue playing my game. Look, no hands. It's magic. Look, no hands. Look, oh, how's it standing up? No hands. That's right, kickstand, 8.8 inch screen. Oh, 70 frames per second. Can load up even more, get more frames for it. Sad to be a bot. Alright, bots, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.